Here we are on the 5th Wednesday night session of the 36-week-long season. I didn't bowl as well as I would have liked on Monday night, so I can use a good series. If I can string together consecutive strikes and make a high percentage of my spares, this will be a successful session. Coming into tonight, my combined league average is 201. I'm striking at a rate of 53%, and I'm 2% behind on each of my single pin and non-split spare average end of season goals of 80 and 75%. I need to start doing a better job of playing each lane individually. I'm giving up potential points by striking on one lane and not the other, because consecutive strikes are what is needed to increase the score of the game. Otherwise, the 2-5 that I chopped in the 7th and the 10 pin that I missed in the 10th were the only relatively easy spares that I missed in Game 1. The 6-pin that I missed in the first frame of Game 2 was because I didn't slide the way I expected, and it threw my balance off when I got to the foul line. I've been experimenting with the way I shoot the 4, the 7, and the 10-pin. The changes I've made seem to work better for the 4-pin, but after tonight, I think I'm going to go back to shooting the 7 and 10 pins the way that I used to.
Oh yeah, no, I am.
The missed spare in the 10th frame only cost me 1 pin. Unfortunately, I only had 1 set of consecutive strikes. That, coupled with the split in the first frame, were the reasons that I didn't score over 200 in Game 3. Although I didn't bowl as well as I would have liked to this session, I feel like I may have identified some things that will help me bowl better in the future. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.